No, 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 no! No, please! No!
Open ranks. Come on.
Now, you have several options. You can do a fully developed claim. It's everything that proves that the claim exists to prove what the severity is, and there's no other information I need to send you. Or went to see my doctor, he did an exam, and he says, here's my range of motion. Boom, here's that piece of evidence. Oh, and then I happen to go through my medical records and I see I was treated on these dates. Boom, I submit that another day. Or I put together a personal statement. Boom, here you go. So it's piecemeal, but the end result is, as long as it's in 11 months after having done the intent to file, I'm going to be rated back to the date of the intent to file.
Close ranks. Come on.